Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to compose a scene from multiple images with Nano Banana. So here I'm using Google Gemini. Click here on Tools, click on Create Images, and now as you can see we have this icon that shows we're using Nano Banana. Make sure you have at least 2.5 flash as your model and you'll be using it. Then you get your images. Okay, let me show you the prompt I'll be using. So this is an example prompt. I'll leave in the description as well if you want. You can go ahead and edit this. First, of course, we'll upload source images. I'll show you how to do that. And for the prompt, I want you to clearly state what elements to take from each image and how to combine them. So we have positional identifiers. So for example, first image here, second image, and what to do with that. So second image will be the desert landscape. The first image will be the person, and we'll make them stand in the vast open desert landscape. And we want the lighting on the person to match the desert scene, photorealistic cinematic. Okay, so we'll come here and upload the images. So here we go. We will use the person as the first image. Let's do this one. And then the second image will be the desert scene. So we'll upload this one as well. And let's add the prompt. Of course, it will be in the description. Then click here on submit and let Gemini work its magic. Okay, it seems to be done. Let's go ahead and scroll down. And I think it did a pretty good job, as you can see. So just use the identifiers and make sure to choose, which elements to go ahead and combine, what to keep and what to match. Really that easy, and that is how to compose a scene from multiple images with Nano Banana.